Ram Narayan Ram. Today, we will discuss meditation, which means focusing our attention. Yes, meditation, concentrating, and chanting are very important for every individual. Every human being has 500 crore souls residing within their body, which connects us to God. We humans eat 3 to 4 meals a day, but what does our soul consume? This entire world is created from sound and energy. Sound is the essence of creation, and without sound, no existence can occur. No creation can come into being without sound. Therefore, every creature must understand the importance of sound. For instance, if we play pleasant sounds beneath a tree every day, you will notice that one day that tree will become lush. Everyone enjoys listening to good music, and we should reflect on why it appeals to us. In reality, what we consume nourishes our body, but the 500 souls or particles within us derive energy from sound. A vital part of our body is the intellect, which also requires sound energy. Where will it come from? To obtain that energy, we should engage in meditation and chanting. My Guru did two things. First, he initiated everyone, and he neither took money from anyone nor accepted any clothing, items, or belongings. Whenever he spoke, he always said that whenever he asked for something, he would ask for everyone's hearts. We would keep everyone's hearts in one place and grant liberation to all. Our Guru's great master, Balak Brahmachari, explained many scientific concepts to the scientist Satyendra Bose, who later became a prominent scientist on earth. He was already in contact with my Guru. Based on his formulas, he made several inventions. We have been instructed to sit or stand, look towards the sky, remember the sky, and with our minds focused on the sky, we should chant Ramo Narayan Ram. This is our faith and our practice. To meditate, we should eat dinner early and sit on the bed in a meditative posture before sleeping. During the day, we should engage in social welfare activities. There are two types of meditation. One is being in a state of sleep, and the other is being in a dream. When meditating in a dream, if we focus on any sound energy, such as Ramo Narayan Ram, chanting the Guru's seed mantra Ramo Narayan Ram just once in a dream yields 40 lakh crore merits. On the other hand, if we meditate while asleep, we gain 20 lakh crore merits, which doubles when done in a dream. Our mind guides us in all of this. It is our intellect and our supreme self. When we close our eyes and meditate with our mind, the entire universe becomes visible. It is a unique experience. When we chant along with a sound, after a while, that sound fades, but it continues to resonate within our minds. Everything happens internally because our body is a temple. Through this chanting, the good soul within our body also engages in meditation. Just as food is essential for the body, it is equally important to nourish the soul, and for that, meditation is necessary. It is part of our body, part of our soul. All souls assist us with their distinct energies, which ultimately benefits us. The system of our body, which has been created by the higher power, is extremely precious, and we should value it. After all, we came into this world with nothing, and we will leave with nothing. Our birth is not the final one. In this life, we should learn to love ourselves and become our own friends. If we do not love ourselves and remain our own enemies, then this earth will be of no use to us. We have come as part of the divine, and we should live in the same way. This is the rule, and we should embrace it. Without meditation, no one can attain liberation, hence, we must meditate. Furthermore, let me remind you that to stay young, one should eat less and only when hungry. We should listen to our intellect and consciousness. as they guide us on the right path. We should focus on meditation concerning all of this.